You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of these famous drink, beverage, sports science to fuel athletes is how they market it at the moment in 2024. A brand name, American brand name, Gatorade is how it's pronounced. Okay, it comes from gator, I think the animal, a gator, alligator, Gatorade. So it aids the gator to do sports, I guess. So Gatorade is how you say it. I've seen other videos saying Gatorade. No, Gatorade. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.